land down under. So it is Friday right now and I don't have any classes. I'm so excited. And it is currently 8 in the morning and I need to go make myself some coffee because I'm super, super tired. I'm gonna sit you guys down somewhere. Maybe. Yeah, basically I'm really tired and it's only 8 in the morning. I told myself I was gonna sleep in today because I had 2 8:30s in a row on Wednesday and Thursday, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm super tired. Oh well, I'm gonna sleep in on Friday. It's 7. I woke up at like 7:45. Perfect. Okay, so ow. Right into the oven. So I don't have a real coffee pot, but I have this thing, and I think this is like a press of some sort. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but that means I have to boil water. So I just use it in a little saucepan, and it gets the job done. I could get a kettle, but I don't need it, so I'm not gonna get it. Also, when I make myself coffee, I don't measure it out. I really just pour it into the glass. Because, well, I don't have a scoop. Just kidding. I think I do. I have a scoop. I've never used it, so I'm not going to start today. Gotta add the finishing touches to it. So most of it's edited. I need to add my little card at the end, add some music, and we are gonna start the upload process. So it's so hard to find new music. I think this can work. I think that'll work, actually. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this and I'm gonna hit the upload button because it takes forever in Australia. I don't know why, but it does. It takes like over an hour to upload when it takes me like 20 minutes back in the States. So it is 9. So I just finished uploading, well actually getting ready to upload because remember it takes like forever to upload. Yeah, so I did a spontaneous FaceTime with my sister because I haven't seen her in forever and it was so super fun. So we just chatted, but now I'm super hungry. So now we gonna make that avo toast. Australians call avocado avo. Fun fact about Australians. My lonely little table. These are my multivitamins and my fish oil. not do my dishes because I don't wanna. Ow, ow, ow. My legs still hurt so bad from doing squats 2 days ago. So I need to make my bed. I'm gonna make my bed. Okay, so my bed's clean, nice and made. I mean, sure it's clean too, but I don't have class today, so I don't have to go to class. But I do need to go shopping and get some food because I'm almost out. I gotta make some dinner, I gotta clean, probably should do some laundry, things like that. So yeah, this is my morning routine though. It's literally 10 o'clock right now, almost. And that's what I have to do in the morning. That's what I do in the morning like every single day of my life if I'm not going to class. But usually this is what I do before I even go to class if I have class. It's not very different. It's like the same. Wake up, get coffee, look over some stuff, make some food, make my bed, and get out of here. So I hope you love this video. Maybe it's not super interesting, but it's super real, and this is literally what I do every single day of my life. I hope you guys love this, and if you want more routines, night routines, afternoon routines, maybe going to school one day, just feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know that you want to see that video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!